Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably feeling a bit lost because Mint, that trusty budgeting app we've all relied on, is shutting down. Don't panic. Switching to a new app can be straightforward and even exciting if it means better features for your finances. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can make the transition smoothly and without losing any of your important data. First things first, why switch? Mint is ending its services, but there are fantastic alternatives out there like YNAB. You need a budget, Rocket Money, or even Financial. Start by researching which one fits your needs. Do you want zero-based budgeting, automated tracking, or something more user-friendly? Once you've picked your new app, sign up and get familiar with its interface. Now, let's get to the main event, exporting your data from Mint. Log into your Mint account, head to the Settings or Export section, and download your transaction history as a CSV file. This is crucial because it holds all your financial details. Most apps make importing easy, but double-check the file format requirements for your chosen app. Next, import that data into your new app. Open your new budgeting tool, look for the import feature, and upload the CSV file. It might take a few minutes to process, so grab a coffee while it works its magic. Once imported, review everything. Check for any errors in categories, dates, or amounts. You don't want surprises in your budget. After that, customize your new setup. Reorganize categories if needed, set up recurring bills, and link your bank accounts for real-time updates. This is your chance to refine your budgeting system and maybe even improve it. Finally, test it out for a week or so. Track your spending, make adjustments, and see how it feels. Remember, switching apps is a great opportunity to reassess your financial habits. If you run into any hiccups, most apps have excellent customer support. There you have it. Switching from Mint doesn't have to be a headache. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. What's your go-to budgeting app? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.